Christopher Lavin, elder law attorney with the Lavin Law Group. Many folks will ask us, how do I preserve assets in the state of Ohio? How do you preserve assets? It's through legal planning techniques. The most important tool that we use for preservation of assets is typically a trust. Now, it's not the typical trust that you use for good old-fashioned death and taxes. Most trusts that our clients are familiar with are known as revocable or revocable living trusts. Those are very valuable tools for probate avoidance, family preservation, and tax planning. But the only difficulty with those trusts is they are revocable, meaning there's no lid on that box. You can get into that trust on Monday to go to the grocery store. Unfortunately, you could get into that trust on Tuesday to pay the nursing home. So what we'll do is we're not here to reinvent the wheel. Those are important tools to keep for a traditional estate planning, but often we'll add to that plan. And the most important tool that we add to that plan for nursing home preservation is known as an irrevocable trust. It's still a grantor's trust, meaning it's tied to the family's social security number. It's still mom and dad first, family second. But it does have a little bit of inconvenience. Irrevocable is a big word that means you can't do something. So it does put a limitation on the client. I don't think the limitation's too bad, because basically what the client is saying is, I have to give away some responsibility. I have to have the assistance of another. We call them helpers and trust protectors. So in short term, if they want to put something into the trust, they can, and it's still there for their benefit. But if they want to take something out of the irrevocable trust, I hate the word permission, but they would need their helper or child's signature. And 9 times out of 10, the helper is a family member, an adult child. And there is a checks and balance system that if the helper is not behaving, they can remove that helper and name a new one. So the irrevocable trusts are designed to make it unavailable to Ohio. That's how we get that 5 years ticking. And they are a very important tool for asset preservation.